Hi there everyone, my name is Preetam and I welcome you all to this channel. In this video, we will talk about how you can install Autodesk AutoCAD in your Macintosh. And let's say if you are a student, then you can get it absolutely free for 1 year. For that, let's open Safari, as you will not find AutoCAD in Apple Store. So let me quickly type here autodesk.com, which is AutoCAD website, and then you need to click here on sign in. So if you already have account, then you need to provide your credential, else you need to click here on create account. After clicking on create account, you need to fill up all the information, and maybe you also need to verify your email address. In this way we can successfully sign up in Autodesk website. After successful sign up, just simply click on sign in. Now type here your email address and then password. Okay, so finally we are here. So we need to click here on products and then here try to find AutoCAD. So you will find it in top product category. Just click on that, and then here you can either go with trial or you can buy AutoCAD for 1 year, or maybe you would like to go with monthly plan. I would recommend to go with download free trial first so that you can test it for 30 days. And after that, it's up to you whether you want to go with 3 years, annual or monthly plan. But since we here have a student account, so we can get it for free up to 1 year. For that, what we need to do is we need to click here on learn and then click on Autodesk University. So this will basically take you to this Autodesk website. So let's go down here, and here you will find an option which is support and learning. So just click on that and this will take you to the support page. Here what I'm looking for is get education software, and then we can click here on this option which says access software. Now let's see how we can get this. Let's again click here on product and click on educational access, and then let's click here on get products. There we go. Here I can see all the software that I can install. So here I would like to install AutoCAD for Mac. So let me click here on this get now option, and then let me click on download. Now the download process has begun. Here we can see we have started downloading Autodesk AutoCAD. So let's wait for the download to get completed. Okay, so finally we have successfully downloaded AutoCAD. Now let me make a double click on it, and there we go. Here we can see the AutoCAD setup installer got started. Now we need to click here on install Autodesk AutoCAD. Now let's wait for the installer. Now here we go. Here we can see the AutoCAD installation has begun, and we are also seeing this notification. So let me just make a double click on it. Now we need to enter your password. Now we need to click on I agree and then click next. Now select the location where you would like to install, as I do not think so that any other manual input is required. And there we go, we have successfully installed AutoCAD 2024 on Macintosh. So now let me click here on start, and I do not think so that we need to do anything else. So let me close this installer. Now let's wait for the AutoCAD to start, then let's click OK. Now here we need to enter our ID, or one could also enter the serial number. Since I am not using trial, so I will be entering my ID and password. And here we also can see some of tutorials. Here we will be clicking on create, and then you can choose your favorite format, and then we can click on open. You can also start blank by simply clicking on new, and there we go. So here I can see we have successfully installed AutoCAD in Macintosh. So that's all guys from my side in this video. I hope that you find this video helpful and informational. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more such content, and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.